Ayaphokoka amazwi ovelwano ngokusweleka kwegqala lentatheli uKarima Brown. UBrown uchazwe njengomsasazi obengenaloyiko nosingathe iinkqubo zikanomathotholo nomabonakude eziliqela engacengi kwabo basemagunyeni. Ukwachazwe njengomntu ebethembeke kanobomi kusapho nezihlobo zakhe nezithe ukuhamba kwakhe kushiye inxeba elingasayi kuvaleka ezintliziyweni.
Loss is always painful. Even now, this is a moment of strength. But there have been emotional ups and downs throughout the day, and I've no doubt that will continue for all of us who loved her dearly and who were close to her in the days and weeks and months ahead.
The type of friend that Karima was is and the qualities that went with that is what I want to remember and honor about her today, because she was the type of friend who nothing is ever too much for her.
The community of journalists had lost an incredible and a very loud voice, and an irreverent voice, a fearless voice, and it's not every day that you find a journalist who's that committed to her ideals, that brazen about her love for the cause of justice and her love for the pursuit of truth and her love for journalism.
I felt compelled to come here out of respect for a wonderful, heroic South African, Karima Brown. She had given so much to our country and our people in speaking truth to power.
UBrown ushiye ngasemva unyana wakhe.